Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing the Club SciKidz. This is a monthly STEM subscription box. Each box focuses in an area in one of the STEM fields: science, technology, engineering, or math, and then they expound on that with different projects, activities, experiments, things that go along with it. Each box really could take you could take an entire month and really get into one of these this box, because there's so much to do. For that, it's so amazing. I love this. This is my favorite box for children. It's $29.99 a month. You can buy past boxes on their website if you're interested in a particular type, like maybe your child likes geology or, you know, whatever, just an example. I don't know that there's any on there. This is the Healing Hands box. We're going to find out right now what's in here. I did start this video and then I was like, I don't like the way I'm doing this, so I restarted. Anyway, we get one of these cards and it tells us what's in the box. Then we get an activity guide. Now this is our monthly, you get this in each box. You go through it, it gives you the vocabulary you'll need. Each experiment is explained in depth. You'll go through, and then as you go through, looks like three, maybe 4 experiments, and then you go into 25 micro experiments. So for each of the activities you've done, you can delve further. They give you like ways to go deeper, and there's also some extra like things in here as well, like science riddles and quotes, and from different, like, because this is Healing Hands, it's a doctor's themed box. Secret formulas, so you make herbal medicine. Did you know? Taste test. These are all little mini projects. The world of science fiction, so it teaches you a little bit about Star Trek and biotechnology. And then scientists in this field, they usually, like, there's always a reading and a scientist to look for in this certain field. Periodic table. Just a really cool thing. We'll look at this after we get all the items out to try to figure out what goes to what. So right on top here we have 3 sheets. There's something called Vital Signs Worksheet. And this is just about, I guess we're going to be talking about vital signs. Titration worksheet. I don't know exactly what titration is, to be honest, so that's going to be a learning thing for me. That's something I like about this box as well. Even as an adult, I feel like I learn, so that's nice. And then here's a taste bud experiment. We have done something like this before, so the kids always think this is super neat because it is. Okay, so we've got what looks to be some paper straws in different fun colors, a little dowel, a wooden dowel, some string, and some beads. Don't know what we're going to be doing with that yet. Then we've got 2 plastic cups, some modeling clay, and a toothpick. I'm guessing some yellow modeling clay. We've got some juice. This is going to go to the titration worksheet because I saw in there it says beverages. So there's a little thing of Ocean Spray orange juice and the Apple and Eve apple juice. There's 2 of these. I have to hide these or my kids will steal them and drink them, and then we won't have them for our experimentations. All right. Next we've got, I love to how they keep everything separate so it's easy to figure everything out, where it goes, what it goes to. All right, so we've got some sort of a dye looking type thing with some little plastic cups and little paper strips. I don't know what kind of, these might be, I can't think of the name, but you know the ones that change color. I'm not even going to try. They're little strips. So there's that. Then we have, oh, looks like some parchment paper. Parchment paper, a Ziploc bag, a pipette, 2 toothpicks, and some sort of clear liquid. Maybe it's vinegar. Maybe it's something else. We've gotten some interesting stuff. I never throw away the extra, but I never know what to do with it. So I'm still looking for like Pinterest ideas of what to do with some of these. Like we had like one month it was a blacklight like lotion. Like it was to show you like how germs are spread, which was really interesting and kind of freaky as a mom. All right, then we've got a little doctor's like a little doctor's kit stethoscope thing here. So that's interesting. I know the kids are gonna really like that. And there's just lots of stuff in here this month. So we've got some paper towels, a paper towel, a piece of orange foam. Orange is my favorite color, so thank you. And then one more baggie here. Oh no, a taste of honey. Here are some additional interesting facts about honey to share. So there's some honey facts. Ooh, and a honeycomb with a honey stick. Oh, how cool is that? All right, so let's look at our activity guide and kind of figure out what all this stuff goes to. All right, so our first vitamin C test. So oh, this is the titration. So we're going to be figuring out, all right, so I'll read this. I'll just read it to you so I don't have to, I'm not going to try to sum it up and get it wrong. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is important for many bodily functions. Vitamin C is needed for our bodies for strengthening blood vessels and connective tissue. It helps wounds heal faster because it helps connective tissues in the skin. Vitamin C also helps the body absorb iron and support our immune systems, which fight off bad viruses and bacteria. We cannot produce or store vitamin C, so we get it from our environment and what we eat. Vitamin C is present in many things that we eat, such as citrus fruits, tomato, kale, and broccoli. Eat a variety of fruits and vegetables every day will ensure your body is getting the vitamin C it needs. So basically, we're going to be testing. Those are pH strips in that, by the way, in that little thing. They're called litmus. That's what they're called, and I couldn't think of it. They're called litmus strips, right? I want to see it, though. So, yep, litmus paper. Girl, I figured it out. I didn't even see it on there. I swear I did. Maybe I didn't. It just popped in my head. Anyway, so the blue stuff is indophenol. So that's a blue indicator. And we're just going to be testing to see how much vitamin C each of these items has. So that should be really interesting. And then I like, too, that they show you how does this work. They explain to you why this project, what is happening here. It's showing us how are we getting these results, because it's really important to the actual learning. Like, why retain something if you don't really understand it? So if you know it from start to end, you can really put it all together in your mind and really make the connection. And I think that's really important, and I like that they do it. So we're going to be doing a strawberry DNA. So we're going to provide a strawberry. We're going to be using those Ziploc bags, the plastic cups. That little bottle of clear liquid is alcohol, dish soap, salt, water, toothpicks, hand lens. I didn't even see that in there. Ooh, it's in there though. And we are going to, we're actually going to be retrieving DNA from a strawberry, which is crazy. That's cool. All right, then we're going to do the vital signs, which is going to include the stethoscope, the clay, and the vital sign worksheet. So that's going to be interesting for the kids. I actually think that's really good for them. Helps them understand their body. And then there is an engineering project. These are separate. These are probably my favorite though. And they're really good if you want to involve dads too, because dads love this. My husband is like all about this. So we're going to take the craft foam that's in here, the paper straws, the sticky tape, the hot glue gun, 10 beads, twine, scissors, a dowel, and glue, and we're going to be making this cool hand over here, so I'm super excited about that. And then that's everything. And then everything else is like these micro experiments, which I think are super interesting. I'm so excited to get into this box. I bet the kids are too. They can never wait. They love it. So please do check out the full review below, and also check out Club SciKidz. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!